In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on the latest Facebook update. First, open the Facebook app and go to the three-line icon in the top left corner. Now tap on See More. Here, you should find the Marketplace option. If you see it, simply tap on it to start using Marketplace. Now, if you want easier access, you can pin it to your shortcut bar. Go back to the menu, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down and find Tab Bar or Shortcuts. Tap on Customize Bar, locate Marketplace, and tap Pin. This will add it to your main navigation. Here, make sure you meet the requirements. You must be 18 or older and live in a country where Marketplace is available. Also, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may hide Marketplace due to bugs. So, yeah, that's how you fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on the new Facebook update quickly and easily.